Do you have a social media site with over 1,000 followers? You could be missing out on easy passive income. Today, we're going to be sharing tips on how you can monetize your social media sites and turn clicks into cash. Even if you have a small audience, you have built-in trust that brands want to be a part of. Companies will sponsor you and pay you per click. Hi, today we're going to be going over several tips and techniques to monetize your social media account. Now we'll be using tools such as scanpanda.app, as well as other non-affiliated sites like Linktree, GiveButter, and then we'll be using various Instagram accounts and social media sites for example purposes only. This is not a paid partnership. If you find anything in here helpful, we ask that you give us a like and smash that subscribe button. And if you have any other ways of using our site and or just monetization of your audience in general, please put that in the comments section below. But without further ado, let's hop in. So we'll come back to scanpanda.app, but let's start with something a little bit more familiar. So When, Where, What Austin promotes local events in its area. So people that are throwing an event pay When, Where, What Austin to promote their event, their special, anything like that. And so they have a lot of followers, and you may not be there yet, and that's okay. But one thing that you're going to find out is all of these influencers, they have a link that they then use to monetize their audience. And so if you don't have a link on your social media site, you're missing out on a lot of potential. So these links can do a bunch of different things. BuzzFeed over here, for example, promotes themselves. So that link will take you to their own website. And so if you want to start capturing your audience, and maybe you want to have them start signing up for a newsletter, or maybe you want to start inviting them to an event of your own, I would highly recommend using GiveButter to create your website. It is a out-of-the-box website creator that allows you to accept payments via Venmo, credit cards, anything like that. So if you want to have a website that converts traffic into paid, I would highly recommend GiveButter. It's super easy, and as you can see, people can donate to you. It's really encumbers a lot of different aspects. You can throw events and sell tickets. You can just have a static page where you collect emails. But when you do donations, it's like a Kickstarter or a crowdfunding platform out of the box, and you get a specific website. And so you could, at the very least, start driving your own traffic to your own website using GiveButter and start collecting donations, or promoting your event, or something of that nature. So GiveButter is really great, and that's kind of what BuzzFeed has their own, but you could purchase a domain name and then just forward it to your GiveButter address. So you could have promoter name 123.com, and you'd have a really powerful website. So that's one way to start monetizing your audience. But now back to this When, Where, What Austin. They are promoting all of the events, and it's really useful for the audience to know what's going on in Austin. And so what they do is they have a link tree here, and you may have heard of Linktree before. Basically, Linktree is usually what people use to promote their different social media sites, but When, Where, What Austin is using it to promote their business partners. The people that are sponsored now get their own link. So I'm not sure if When, Where, What Austin just charges a flat fee of like, hey, give us $10,000 and we'll post about you, and then we'll give you this link on here. Because they have such a big audience, they could probably demand a large upfront cost. But for most of us, like 99.99% of us, we don't have that kind of following. So what we can do is actually, when you have these links out here, anytime your audience members clicks on it, you could be getting a kickback, and you can be earning per click. This is just a simple referral link, right? So link trees, if you are using the link tree today, or if you've seen these link trees, you could be, you're probably missing out on these clicks that you get paid per click. And how we're going to use that is going to ScanPanda. So ScanPanda.app makes it really easy. We've already went and found a bunch of brands that want to get in front of your audience. They know that you have built-in trust. They know that you have this community and they want to be in front of it, right? And maybe they're not willing to pay you that thousands of dollars up front, but they are willing to pay for results, meaning per click. So just like on Google AdWords or Facebook, businesses pay them per click to drive traffic to their website. So that's what ScanPanda is doing. Once you go and create a promoter account, you get access right here, pays $1 per click. So once you've joined it, you get a unique QR code. Now, in order to turn this QR code into a link, all you have to do is scan the QR code using your phone. I'm on a laptop right now. So you scan using your phone. And then what you do is you can now go to your browser history and see where it took you. And you can actually copy the link off of your history. We also have a 2-minute video if you'd like to check that out. But essentially you're scanning this QR code and then you go to your browser history and you copy that link. And once you copy that link, you can now go and put it into your link tree. If you want, you can just go and copy that link straight into your description. But a lot of people want to not only just promote their sponsor, they want to promote their own socials. So here at ScanPanda, we have our sponsor right up here on top, and then all of our other socials underneath it. So Linktree is really easy to use. It's free. And you can go in and customize these links however you want. So after you've gone and scanned your own QR code and you grab that link, you can now put it here in the Visit My Sponsor. And so anytime somebody comes to your page and they click on your link tree, you have the opportunity to earn cash. So if I were to click on this, boom, it says loading campaign. I've already clicked on it in 24 hours. So you have to, every 24 hours, your audience can come back and click, but that earns me $1, right? So anytime that one of my audience members comes in and visits our sponsor, I earn. So, every time you post, you can include that link. You can really get as creative as you want, but these referral links are a way to monetize your audience. And you don't need a huge audience to do this either. But, so if you're an influencer or a promoter or somebody out there trying to grow your brand, it doesn't really matter how big you are yet. We want to grow with you. And our brands on ScanPanda also want to grow with you. They see that this community that you're building, you have that built-in trust. And that's what brands are looking for. They're looking for that trust that you have, and they want you to put themselves in front of it, just like a true sponsorship or a brand ambassadorship. And we're doing it through links, right? So if you haven't already, get your links, whether that's your own website or using a link tree, or even just grabbing that referral link and putting it on your description or putting it in your posts. But either way, use these links to start earning cash. All right. We went through a few different things today. I hope you found something helpful. Please like and subscribe, and comments below if we missed anything. All right, see you next time.